This is why Canada is for kids and families. So as you can see, may snow pa din. It's February 22 and talagang puti pa yung paligid. Marami pang snow. And look, it's snowing. Ito si Jansen. Naka-full gear para iwas disgrasya.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you why Canada is one of the best places for families and kids. If you are a parent like me, alam niyo kung gaano ka-importante na makapag-spend ng quality time with your children. And dito sa Canada, the government really makes it easy for families to enjoy life together.
So, it's weekend. It's Saturday. And syempre, we're looking forward for every weekend kasi we work hard every week, every work week. And this is the time for us to spend a day with the family and to do something fun.
Ngayon, marami kaming nakaschedule na gagawin. Soccer, swimming lesson, activities sa library, ice skating, and more. So, samahan nyo kami para ma-share ko sa inyo kung paano sinusuportahan ng Canada yung mga kids and families with affordable and accessible activities. It's 9 o'clock a.m. and papunta nga kami sa soccer lesson ni Jansen. Nag-take kami ng bus papunta sa recreational center. And actually, isa to sa favorite part ni Jansen sa trip namin. Kasi naman, look at this, we are on a double-decker bus. Kapag nakikita niya yung double-decker bus, gusto niya na pumupunta kami sa second floor. Kung saan, kitang-kita mo naman yung view ng city. It's also nice and quiet up here. Especially na hindi ganun kadami yung tao dito sa taas. Feels like we have the whole place to ourselves.
Hello guys, this is a wonderful view of this double-decker bus. We are at the point top. Yes, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful.
We can see everything, eh?
Guys, like and subscribe so mommy can hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.
Ipakita ko na rin sa inyo kung gaano ka-convenient yung public transportation dito sa Canada. Dito sa Ottawa, Ontario, meron silang ginagamit na app, yung Transit app. Dito mo makikita yung schedule ng bus real-time. And no need to guess kung kailan darating yung sunod na bus. Kasi dito sa app na to, makikita mo when it will arrive.
Sa Ottawa, ang ginagamit namin ay Transit app. Makikita mo dyan yung oras, kung kailan dadating yung bus, at syempre kung kailan yung arrival mo. So sabi dito, get off bus in 27 stops. So medyo malayo pa. And makikita mo rin kung ano yung mga stops papunta dun sa destination mo. And kung tutusin, malapit lang naman talaga. Kaya lang dahil nga humihinto yung bus sa mga designated bus stop, kaya tumatagal yung biyahe.
Makikita mo rin dito yung point A to point B at kung ilang bus stop yung dadaanan mo. Now, when it comes to paying for the bus, it's cashless. You can tap your Presto card, which is similar to the Beep card that we have in the Philippines. Or kung estudyante ka naman, pwede mong gamitin yung student card mo for applicable discounts. And guess what? If you don't have a transit card, pwede ka rin magbayad gamit yung credit or debit card mo para magbayad sa pamasahe mo by tapping your card at the bus entrance. So, it's very easy and convenient. In any case, kung pwede ka pa rin naman magbayad ng cash, kaya lang hindi sila nagbibigay ng sukli. So, make sure na sakto yung pamasahe mo. At 9:20 a.m., nag-start na yung coaching lessons nila. So, dito, tinuturuan sila ng soccer skills.
Good. Alright, Aylin. Visa! Okay, Jansen, come this way. Dribble. All the way this way. Alright, let's see, Aylin. Michaela, turn around. Good.
Kitang-kita mo naman kung gaano siya ka-focus at talagang nag-enjoy siya. Tinuturuan sila na sipain yung bola, mag-dribble, at syempre, discipline na dapat nakikinig sa coach. At 10:10 a.m., it's time for gameplay. Ito yung fun part kasi dito nila na-apply kung ano yung natutunan nila sa previous lesson. And chance na rin na makapaglaro with other kids. Kitang-kita mo naman yung malaking ngiti ni Jansen na talagang nag-enjoy siya. I think the best part is that this program is affordable. Yes, may bayad yung ganitong lesson, pero it's budget-friendly and accessible for everyone. I wish we had this back home in the Philippines kasi lumaki ako, I never had a chance to join after-school activities kasi nga napakamahal. Sa Pilipinas, yung mga ganitong programs, mostly mga mayayaman lang yung nakaka-afford. But here in Canada, almost everyone can afford them. Then after soccer, we have a quick snack break. And then at 11:30 a.m., it's time for swimming lesson. Actually, mas na-enjoy niya nga yung swimming lesson niya kaysa sa soccer lesson kasi talagang gustong-gusto niya na mag-swimming. You can see how excited he is every swimming lesson. And I really appreciate how Canada provides so many sport activities for kids. These programs not only keep them active, also help them build confidence and social skills. After swimming, nagpunta naman kami sa isa sa mga favorite places ko dito, Ottawa Public Library. And guess what? It's Lego building time! Si Jansen gustong-gusto niya yung Lego. Dito, yung mga library host, meron sila mga free programs para sa mga bata where they can build, play, and be creative. Yung Lego activity is just one of the activities na ino-offer nila for free. So, kung taga dito ka sa Ottawa, make sure na i-check mo yung mga programs na available sa public library na malapit sa'yo. Meron silang mga other activities like story time, arts and crafts, and even special programs for kids with special needs. And it's not just for kids. The library has programs for parents too, like workshops on parenting and job hunting. It's amazing how the government makes sure everyone has opportunities to learn and grow.
Okay, let's go.
Now, this is one of the highlights of our day, ice skating at Rideau Canal. If you don't know, Rideau Canal is the longest skating rink in the world. During winter, the water freezes and people come here to skate. Ang ganda kasi nag-snow.
Yeah. It's a perfect day to skate.
Nandito si Jansen, naka-full gear para iwas disgrasya kung sakali man. Kailangan mo talaga.
Wala snow pants.
Anong tawag dyan? Naka-hockey helmet siya, tapos meron din siyang knee pads.
Tapos gloves. Importante yan.
So, yung Rideau Canal is the longest skating rink
Yeah.
in the world. And kapag kang winter, nag-freeze yung canal, kaya pwede kami mag-skate dito. Last year, hindi inopen yung canal kasi hindi enough yung kapal ng snow para makapag-skate.
Yung kapal
mga
ng
tao.
yelo.
Yung kapal ng yelo. Hindi enough yung kapal ng yelo para makapag-snow. But this time,
Makapag-skating, hindi makapag-snow.
last year, hindi inopen yung canal kasi hindi enough yung snow para makapag-skate. But this
Yung kapal ng yelo, hindi enough yung kapal ng yelo, hindi yung enough yung snow. Walang enough yung snow.
hindi inopen yung canal kasi hindi enough yung kapal ng yelo para makapag-skate. This time, inopen siya sa public, 7.8 kilometers yun. So that's what we're trying to reach today. Kung kaya natin na masimulan start to finish.
Yeah, we are at 1 kilometer right now.
Pagod na.
Masakit na yung paa.
Pagod na.
Okay,
Ayan, let's go.
1 week
End
na
of
lang.
February pero feels like Christmas pa din kasi ang ganda ng snow.
Yeah.
Siyempre, nung una hindi kami marunong mag-skate. But since we do it almost every weekend, we're getting better. Si Jansen, he's still learning, but you can see naman how much fun he's having. Look at that smile. Tapos si Daddy, nag-start na rin siyang mag-take ng skating lessons para maturuan niya kami. Actually, ang una, dapat niyan, si Jansen yung i-enroll namin sa ice skating lesson. Pero dahil nga yung activities na ino-offer ng Government of Ottawa is for everyone, so talagang mabilis na fill up yung mga slots. Kaya naman, instead, si Daddy na lang yung nag-take ng ice skating lesson, then tinuturuan niya na lang kami.
Alright, we're at 1 kilometer. Go. Come on, Jason. Catch up.
Sakit ang ilong ko.
Bakit? Lamig.
Malamig.
Pagalas ka. Dumudulas sa epeka mo eh. Kasi ano eh. Madulas yung buhok mo eh. Sumusunod sa galaw. Yan, naka-rejoice ka ba? Yan, akin. My God, may crack! Ano yung crack? May crack yung yellow! Patakot oh. So ayan, nasa ilalim tayo ng bridge. Go!
May mga pine trees pa na maliliit. Parang Pasko talaga siya.
Ginawa siyang divider. Actually, ano yun eh, tunay na tree yan eh.
Yes.
Tunay na pine trees yun eh. Ginawa siyang divider. Para...
Alam mo, Pasko, no? Punta tayo sa may bonfire.
Ano yun?
And to eat.
You want to eat? Oh my God.
What do you want to eat?
Kaya mo mo siya.
You want that, Vivi? You wanna try? Huh?
Wanna give it a try? Alright.
You guys
Can I
like
have
a
one?
meal? Yeah, no problem.
So good.
Yeah.
How would you like to pay?
Oh my God.
That's happened a lot. Don't worry.
Alright. Okay. Wait for it to roll.
And just let's select an option and tap. I'll get one right up here.
Yeah, please. Good. Okay, wait for your turn. Look at that.
There you go. Sweet lady.
Okay.
I'm just supposed to lick at that.
Oh yeah, lick it or bite it. That's up to you. You want to bite?
Good. Sour? What? That is like little sour.
Nandito tayo sa Concord ngayon.
You are here.
So, gano'n pa siya kahaba?
Around 6.8 pa.
Okay, kaya? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow.
Ayan siya. Magkabit pa lang ng gloves, 15 minutes na. Ewan ko lang talaga kung umabot tayo dyan. Gabi na wala pa tayo sa dulo. Okay. Harap! Okay, Mark 1.4. Okay, ganun pa. You gotta accept defeat. Hanggang saan ka lang umabot? 2 kilometers lang kasi. Ayun yung 2.2 oh. Tututut, tututut. Tututut, tututut. 2 kilometers lang siya.
Haba. Pagod.
So, kamusta naman ang skating? Lamig? Alright, wanna go back?
Let's go back.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, Dansen.
Para sa amin, Saturday is our family day. Talagang inilaan namin yung Sabado para makapag-spend time kami together. Marami kaming magawa, makapamasyal, at mabigyan ng oras si Jansen kasama kami. This is what I love about living in Canada. There are so many affordable and accessible programs for kids and families. It's amazing to see Jansen so happy, active, and engaged in different activities. And as a parent, sobrang fulfilling sa pakiramdam knowing na naibibigay ko sa kanya yung best childhood possible. I really wish we had something like this in the Philippines. I hope that one day, every child, no matter where they come from, will have access to fun and educational activities like these. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what activities do you do with your kids. Again, this is Yani. See you again. Bye.